Hello viewers, how are you? I am Orko Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video I am gonna unbox this Poco M3 smartphone and will give you my first impression about the product. So without further delay, let's get started. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So here is the box packaging of Poco M3 smartphone, and it's written as Poco One M3 6000 mAh battery, number one quality smartphone brand and made in India on the box. And on the sides it's written as Poco M3. On the back here are some specifications are mentioned, like 6000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel camera, 662 processor, full HD display and some other. So it's the 664GB variant and it's a yellow color one, and it's also available in several other colors on online websites like Flipkart. So now let me cut the seal and open the package. So that's it. At first you get the yellow colored flap compartment where you do get the SIM ejector tool over there, and here you also get the user guide and warranty information, and there is also a clear TPU case for Poco M3. And after that we get the smartphone itself, that is yellow in color. That's also available in blue and black. We have got the yellow one, which looks very good. Let me remove the sticker on this one. So let's see what else do we get inside the box. So we do get the charger, which is a 18-watt charger, and it's a Qualcomm 3 supported, and we also get a USB-C cable, which is good because it's a 11,000 smartphone. It's priced at 11,000 and we are getting a USB type C. That's very good. So this is the smartphone. You can see here is the display, here is the front camera, and on the right side you do get the power button which doubles up as fingerprint scanner. Here's the volume rocker. On the left side there is a SIM tray, you can see that, and like the downside you get the speaker, the USB type C port and the microphone over there. And on the front side you do get a 3.5mm jack, IR blaster and another speaker, so you do get a stereo speaker on the smartphone. And the texture I want to talk about, the texture is something kind of a leathery. I know it's a polycarbonate back, but the texture is very good. You don't have to use a cover. And here is the triple camera setup over there with the flash, and here is the Poco branding. Now let me put the cover on the Poco M3 and see how it looks. It looks kind of good. Now let me boot the smartphone for the first time. So the Poco logo flashes up here, and now the MIUI logo flashes up, and now it will it's the MIUI 12 version that is here, and it also have the Android 10. So now I'm setting up the region, and here you can see the personalized ad and user experience program, so you should disable them. And if you don't do that, then you will see the creepy ads, which is not good for anybody. And now I will set the smartphone for the first time, and you will go through the quick specification of Poco M3. So this is the user interface of Poco M3 smartphone. That is the usual Poco launcher with MIUI, and here is the notification shade, and the app drawer looks like this. So this is the user interface of Poco M3. And this Poco M3 has lot of bloatware and junkware pre-installed on this device. So now let me talk about the performance of this smartphone. So it has Snapdragon 662 processor and 6GB of RAM, so the performance should be very good. And now let me play one of the pre-installed games. So here you can see that the performance is quite good on this one, and I will talk more about the performance section on the long-term review about this Poco M3 smartphone. Now let's come to the battery segment. So it has a 6000 mAh battery, but despite having that big battery, the weight management on this phone is very good. And now let's come to the storage section. Here you can see, like, out of the box nearly 45 GB of storage is free out of 64 GB. So here you can get an idea that how much of storage do you get out of the box. Now let's come to the software information. So it has MIUI version 12.0.1, MIUI global stable version, and it does have Android version 10Q. This Poco M3 has 6.53-inch 1080p display with IPS LCD screen. Now let me play one of my YouTube videos to get you an idea.
Hello viewers, how are you? I am Arko Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video we will discuss about One UI 3.0 update on Samsung devices, which has Android 11 and lots of features. So without further delay, let's get started. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So at first, One UI 3.0 brings the Android 11 update with security patch of January 2021.
Now let's come to the camera section. So here is the rear camera. It has the photo, video, pro, portrait, and more. So on the more section you can see many other modes with the 48 megapixel mode, and here you can see the HDR1 and HDR auto, and here is artificial intelligence mode. Here you can change all the settings of that, and here is the flash option over there, and there are many filters also on that. And here is the front camera. You can see here is also you get the flash, HDR, artificial intelligence and modes, and here you can see the photo mode, portrait and video, and also pro mode is available for the front camera. I have attached a ton of sample on the later part of the video, so make sure to go through the whole video. Here are some outdoor sample shots, here are some garden sample shots, and here are some close-up flower sample shots over there, and here is a 48 megapixel sample shot. Here is a macro sample shot. Now here is a human subject sample shot. Here is a back camera portrait sample shot. Here is a outdoor selfie, and here is a portrait selfie outdoor. Now let's look at some of the indoor lighting condition sample shots. So these are the indoor lighting sample shots. Here is a human subject indoor sample shot you can see, and here is a portrait indoor human subject, and here is a indoor selfie, and here is a indoor portrait selfie over there. So this phone has a fingerprint scanner on the power button, and the fingerprint scanner is very good. That is it takes 0.5 second of delay, but that's very good. Now let's look at the face unlock. Here I'm setting the face unlock of this one, and you can see the face unlock of the Poco M3 is also very good. So that's it for today guys, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this Poco M3 smartphone. And hope you like the video. Then press the like button, share this video as much as possible because I need your support as a content creator, and subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality and interesting tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload this awesome contents. And thank you for watching the video till the end. Stay tuned, we will meet soon. Bye bye.